What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back. It's been a while, but it is officially time to check out the new upgrades on the bike. And the first one being the most noticeable is it's not an SC Project exhaust, it's a MotoGP titanium exhaust that I've had in the garage for months, but haven't put it on. And as soon as BMW voided my warranty, I decided to put it all on. I mixed that with the SC Project slip-on exhaust, and there you have it. And she sounds mean. We'll start it up here in a second. I've also put a whole bunch of brand tuning parts in it, including the temperature sensor relocation kit. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it here. But you can see it inside there. It's mounted up here in the front, that little silver dongle hanging down up there. So that will generally take a temperature reading from outside the bike, which is a little bit more natural reading inside the bike, where the temperature sensor is a little bit artificially high. It kicks the fan on and that pulls some power, allegedly, apparently. Also got Brock's ceramic bearings in both axles, and those just flow really smoothly. Also got the GPR Stabilizer, and put that on for just the torque that exists, once you've got a stage 2 tune in it, which is the other thing I did. Once you put all this stuff on, you gotta tune her up, and so she's stage 2 tuned now. And I guess the last thing is the flapper delete kit, also a BT Moto product from Brand Tuning, and that is installed as well. So we'll give it a start up here. What's up, boys? We're headed to bike night. Oh, nice. Come on, guy. We're headed to bike night. First bike night I've been to in a long time. Tried to go last night, but it got rained out. And it's a nice night, as almost always in Houston. Let's blast, boys! love Chargers. They always come correct. God bless them. They always want to dance. Overpass view here. Everybody likes to let you pass on these overpasses, but brothers, don't do it, please. There's a lot of accidents where bikers just go off of this. And what is that? 6, 8 stories? It's not worth it. Feels good to pass on the on-ramp though, but don't do it. Don't do it, don't do it. Look at this guy, he's totally waiting for me to blast. Thanks, bro. I'll give you something for that.